Did you hear that? That's not thunder. That's your belly complaining again. My stomach. You skip breakfast, ate biscuit for lunch. Your stomach is forming DJ. Hey, that sound you hear is your tummy saying, excuse me, we are not okay. Skipping meals make your digestive system overwork. Eating nonsense, only sugar and carbs, makes your belly riot. Please try this. Eat a real breakfast. Add fruits, oats, eggs. Give your stomach peace. Please don't let your belly embarrass you during presentation or at a meeting, gathering with friends. You hear brrr in front of your boss and friends. Wahala! And drink water too. Your belly likes clean things, not sugar and unhealthy stuffs. Share this for others to learn and understand what causes their DJ tummy. Your stomach is not a rebel. It's just one small respect. Type no more in the comments if you are feeding your belly right today. Make peace with your belly. No more belly beats. See you in my next video for more updates. Bye.